Throughout different eras, humanity has tried to conquer the skies in any way it could, using the technology of its time. From the myths of Icarus to the bold plans of Tsiolkovsky, we've been chasing the same goal. And for a while, we succeeded. At the beginning of the 20th century, airships sailed across the skies connecting continents and bringing futuristic dreams to life. But the Hindenburg tragedy buried this technology for a long time. Fortunately, not forever. Today, interest in airships is making a comeback. Why? There are several reasons. First of all, the environment. Airships use significantly less fuel than airplanes and produce fewer emissions. Second, economics. They don't need expensive runways. They can land almost anywhere. Third, logistics. Airships are perfect for transporting oversized cargo, especially to hard-to-reach areas. Of course, the airships of the future aren't just larger versions of their predecessors. These are high-tech machines, equipped with modern engines, navigation, and control systems. They are capable of flying at high altitudes and carrying significant amounts of cargo and passengers. Interestingly, airships haven't seen widespread use yet, but many are already asking, will we really live without roads and rails thanks to airships? Will they replace regular transportation? In fact, not only dreamers ask this question. Engineers have been concerned about it for more than a century. The difference is that dreamers see airships as an anachronism, stuck in the era of steam engines, while engineers are responding to today's demand, as the world searches for eco-friendly and efficient ways to get around. Just imagine. No more traffic jams, no more exhausting waits at airports, just a smooth flight above the ground, the soothing rustle of the wind, and endless horizons. Airships themselves really don't require expensive infrastructure. If you're flying in an airship, you can forget about roads, railways, and airports and just relax. Airships can pretty much land anywhere. Where traditional transport is powerless, airships can deliver both your cargo and you as a passenger. And there's no risk of damage along the way. However, it's important to remember that every mode of transport has its limitations. Airships are sensitive to weather conditions. Their speed isn't very high, and safety issues require close attention. Many standards still need to be developed. Nevertheless, modern technology makes it possible to overcome many of these limitations. But will we live entirely without roads and rails? Probably not. Airships will take their own niche in future transportation. They are the missing element right now, a mode of transport that combines comfort, environmental friendliness, and accessibility. Maybe one day, when we look up at the sky, we'll see not only airplanes but also airships gliding through the clouds. And that will be a completely ordinary sight. Essentially, each of us will simply have more options for how to reach our destination. Time will tell whether these airborne giants can once again conquer the skies and make our boldest dreams of flight come true. You can assess the real prospects on the website of the Russian project New Generation Airships. Follow the link in the description.